Behind me is our latest solar educational device. Now, yes, it's a racetrack, yes, it's fun to race cars around a track, but it's powered by a 12-volt lithium battery from Victron under there. We've got a Victron 7515 MPPT charge controller, and this is a Meyer Burger 400-watt glass bifacial solar panel. By bifacial, light will stream through and bounce back on the cell, so you'll get extra solar energy. And we have fitted it with a tracker as well, and the tracker allows you to adjust the angle and orientation of the panel to catch the sun. So whoever is racing using the sun. It's just something to hopefully capture the imagination of kids of all ages, how we can use the sun to have fun. Sun, fun, winning combination. If you're interested in learning about solar energy, come to the store, come and have a race of our track, come and join one of our sessions where we'll teach you all about solar education.